Really, there's no data out there that says that you need to lower the dose over time. So, our general rule of thumb as an OBGYN is the lowest dose that you need for the shortest duration that you need as far as safety of any medication, whether it be hormones or whether it be an antidepressant. So maybe your doctor is thinking that way, but if you feel good on the dose that you're on and you're doing well with it, there's no rule out there that says, you're only allowed to be on it for such and such a time, or that you have to start weaning down and decreasing the dose as you get older. Generally, most women are on HRT, about 5 years or so. And sometimes at that point, we'll have the discussion with patients as to when they want to try to go off of it. And we might do a trial off of it and see how you do. But especially when you go through surgical menopause, you have to think about what was the time that your body would have naturally gone through menopause, which for most women, it's 51, 52. So I really don't start that 5-year clock until after that age time frame for most patients. And it's a discussion that each of us should have uniquely with our physician. And there's no textbook that says all women should be off by this age or should only be on it for this duration.